Egg sandwich recipe. A warm, cheesy egg sandwich is one of the quickest and most satisfying meals you can make. Perfect for breakfast, a light lunch, or even a late-night snack. This recipe comes together in just a few minutes using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 tablespoon milk, a pinch of salt and black pepper, 2 slices of white bread, 1 slice of American cheese. Method: crack the egg into a microwave-safe bowl and add the milk. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk the mixture well. Microwave the egg mixture on high for 1 to 2 minutes, or until fully cooked. Toast the bread until golden and crispy. Assemble the sandwich. Place the cooked egg on 1 slice of toast. Add the cheese slice on top. Then cover with the second slice of toast. Microwave the sandwich for 15 seconds to melt the cheese. Serve hot and enjoy. Pro tip: for extra flavor, spread a thin layer of butter or mayonnaise on the toast before assembling. You can also add a slice of tomato, a few spinach leaves, or even crispy bacon for a delicious upgrade.